Hey, Julian, 8th grade students. This is Miss Winchell, your friendly librarian, here to help you as you get started with the research part of your community project for integrated studies. I am looking at the process journal, and I just want to say that this is a really useful document that I hope you use in order to scaffold all the steps that you need to take. When you start coming down to the research part, once you've done all the preliminary aspects with your teacher, creating search terms is a really useful page. This page helps you make sure you know that you are searching keywords and not sentences or questions, right? So power nouns, that's very important. When it comes to getting into the sources, here recommends advanced Google search and evaluating web sources. That's very useful. I think that it's okay to use a straight up Google search. Don't forget about advanced searching, where if you saw here, I clicked settings and then I clicked advanced search. And here I can find pages with specific things. These are the specific things that each limiter will do. And then I can narrow my results. It might be useful to narrow by a .org or a .edu or a .gov, depending on the search that you're trying. So just remember that advanced search can help you refine your Google search. Another thing I want to talk about is Wikipedia. This is a useful site for gaining a decent overview on something. I would not recommend using it as your only source or as the only authoritative source, but it is definitely a place you can go to get a decent overview on any given topic. And some of the things that are really awesome about Wikipedia are these two parts at the end, references and external links. Okay, so in the references, people who post on Wikipedia have to cite really authoritative sources. So you know that the Modern Antiquarian or Encyclopedia Britannica or Smithsonian Magazine, those are quality sources. So those might be places that you check out for yourself for your own research. And the other thing is that external links can be amazing within Wikipedia. Sometimes they take you to sites that you might not have found yourself in just your general web searching. So think about those two things if you find yourself looking at Wikipedia after you gain your overview, the sources and the external links. The other thing I want to point out is how useful databases are. This is the Julian homepage, and then you go to the Library Media Center, and then you click on Research, and then you get yourself to the Oak Park Public Library. When you're at school, you don't need a library card or a PIN. If you're at home using this page, you will need it. So these are all of their databases or online sources. If you know that you're doing a project that is science and environment related, click on those topics and this page will filter your results and give you just the 5 sources that they have that are about environment and science. And I know from experience that Living Green is an awesome research site, and so is Science Reference Center. The other thing I want to tell you is that there are lots, so please remember to filter based on the sort of general topic that you are looking for. If you're not sure how to filter using these things, there are 3 databases I would recommend for this integrated studies service project. The first one is Points of View. So to get there, I went to the P, and then I'm going to Points of View. Points of View is awesome because it not only has news articles sort of highlighted at the top, but it categorizes major topics, right? So this might be a useful place for you to at least get started with your topic, okay? Maybe you'll find it in here, or maybe this will help you with your with everything that you're trying to do, at least to get started. Another database I want to show you is 2 of them are in the M's. Master File Complete we're going to look at, and Middle Search Plus. Master File Complete is an awesome database that is full of everything, right? So if I do women's rights, I can, it's going to give me 32,000 search results. There's definitely a lot that needs to be done when it comes to limiting and adding other keywords, women's rights and dress code. That might help. So, and then limiting by magazine and newspaper or by dress codes in schools. That's going to give me 5 good articles about dress codes in schools. So that's master file complete, and it covers all kinds of topics, all kinds of subjects. The other one is Middle Search Plus, which is also an EBSCO one. It looks a lot the same. Same thing, dress code, or I'm going to do women's rights and dress code. Okay, it's giving me 11 sources, some of which may be the same, I'm not sure. If I want, I can change the publication date to make it short, more recent. I can do just newspaper articles. And then you see, I don't have a ton, but at least I have some sources. So that is my general overview for you. Quick tips from me about how to search, places to search, especially as you start to dive into these research questions and you have to find quality sources and you need to take notes based on these questions. If you need help with anything, you want guidance with your topic or your research questions or your keywords or where to find places, please know that I'm available for you anytime. You can come to the library during lunch, before school, on Thursdays after school, or have your teacher reach out to me. Best of luck and enjoy your project.